Hello and welcome to my channel Cactus. I'm Becky, thanks for tuning in. Over the next 5 weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you my most important tips on how to finesse Airbnb, how to save money while booking, and also how to maintain your 5-star ratings, which is extremely important for a guest on Airbnb. If you're looking for a staycation in your city or county, Airbnb is an amazing option because it gives you great value for your money. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you my most important 5 tips on how to save money while booking on Airbnb. By the way, this video is being shot at Mama's Enchanting Nook, which is on Airbnb. It has 5-star ratings and is described as serene and a hidden gem in the city. If you'd like to stay at this amazing place, I've placed the link to the Airbnb in the description box below. Alright, so if you'd like to learn how to save money while you book on Airbnb, keep watching, and if you learn a thing or two, please give this video a thumbs up, and you might as well subscribe. You're already here. Tip number 1, refer friends to Airbnb using your referral link. Each time someone signs up to Airbnb using your referral link, they get an automatic discount and you also get credit towards your next booking. For example, right now, every single person who signs up to Airbnb using my referral link will get $65 off of their first booking, and I get 16 USD in credit towards my next stay from each single person who signs up using my referral link. So if you would like to get $65 off of your first booking on Airbnb, I've placed the referral link, in the description box below. All you have to do is just click on it, sign up using that link, and you get $65 off of your first booking. And then what you can do is begin to share with your friends and your relatives your referral link so that you can also get credit off of your first stay, and they can also get discounts off of their first booking. Tip number 2, simply ask the host for a discount. All you have to do is click on Contact Host, let the host know which dates you will be booking and also how many guests will be coming, and then let them know how much you want to pay. That's it. If the host is not in love with your offer, then what they'll do is they will give you a counter offer, or they'll simply deny your request. So if they give a counter offer, that is when you can go ahead and book. Please note that hosts are not obligated to give you a discount just because you asked for one, okay? Tip number 3, compare the final price amongst different properties to get the actual price that you will be paying. Say you want to book a place in Karen, but you don't put the dates in and you don't put the number of guests that will be coming with you, and you do your search, all you'll get is what is called a base price. However, what you may not know is that most hosts have a cleaning fee, extra guest fees, and higher weekend fees in place. Also note that Airbnb has a service fee of between 5 to 20% of what you'll finally be paying on Airbnb, and this is charged on top of what the host will charge you. So if you want to know exactly what you're going to be paying on Airbnb, you need to make sure that you insert your booking dates, your exact booking dates, as well as how many guests will be accompanying you, including yourself. Once you hit search, you will see the base price in bold, and then you will see the final price underlined in gray. You can actually hit that final underlined amount to see the breakdown of what all of the different costs add up to. So make sure you put in your exact dates as well as the exact guests that will be accompanying you, including yourself, to know exactly how much you will be paying. And then compare all these final prices with all other properties that you're interested in to get the best rate and the best value for what you want. By the way, if you're thinking of starting an Airbnb but you don't know where to start and you need a little guidance, I've actually done an online workshop. We started our Airbnb in October 2019, and just within 3 months we already reached Superhost status, and we've maintained our 5-star ratings throughout. So I think I know a thing or two about Airbnb. Thank you very much. Is it a good side hustle? Yes, I would highly recommend you doing an Airbnb. Since October of last year, we've earned about 1.1 million shillings, and we were actually set to earn double. If it wasn't for Corona, we would have actually earned double the amount of what we've earned so far. And then that 1.1 million shillings does not even include other funds that we've earned outside of the app. For example, we had some celebrities staying here. You know, we've made money from tourism or from taxis, stuff like that. So there's so much more that you can get from having an Airbnb, just apart from the Airbnb itself. So it's a great side hustle, and I would highly recommend it. So the workshop entails the following key elements: how to maintain your 5-star ratings, which is extremely important, how to rank higher in Airbnb search results, how to fill your form, and then I also discuss safety, security, as well as discrimination policies, which are also really important to obey as a host. Each section of the workshop costs 2,300 shillings only, but you can get the whole bundle, the entire whole bundle, for 6,000 shillings. I'm actually offering a pre-sale option right now. Excuse the wind, but I love shooting from outside. If you sign up for the workshop before the 5th of October, you automatically get 45% discount. And then once the 5th of October has passed, unfortunately, the price will go up to 100%. The link to sign up to get the pre-launch is in the description box down below. So sign up, get your 45% discount, and start earning some money. I would also like to gift one viewer this whole workshop for free. So if you'd like to stand the chance to win this workshop, you have to do 4 things. Number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like me on Instagram and on Twitter, and then sign up for the pre-launch using the link below, and you will automatically be entered into the raffle to stand a chance to win the workshop for free. The links to my Insta and Twitter pages are in the description box below, so click like and subscribe so that you can enter your chance to win. I will be announcing the winner next week. I will be announcing the winner in next week's video. So if you don't want to miss that, then you need to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss the announcement, okay? Tip number 4, book your staycation during the week and also during off-peak seasons. Most hosts have actually set their weekends to be priced higher because there's usually more demand during the weekend than during the week. So it's better to book during the week so you can get lower prices. And then obviously during off-peak seasons, there are no tourists, so prices are cheaper, so you'll get more value for your money as opposed to booking during peak seasons and then, you know, as opposed to booking during peak seasons. Number 5, get a larger place and split the cost between friends and family. It's actually cheaper to book a larger place if you're a big group, as opposed to booking smaller different Airbnbs and splitting them amongst yourselves. However, please do note that hosts actually do add extra guest fees, so you might want to check the final price before you go ahead and book a larger place, and it ends up being more expensive than finding smaller Airbnb. So always compare your costs, but it's definitely gonna be cheaper in the long run to book a larger home and split that cost between your friends and your family. Okay, and I actually have a bonus tip for you. Book more nights than your actual dates. Yes, I know that sounds crazy, but yeah, do that. This tip is geared more towards those who will be staying for perhaps a week at a staycation, or maybe even a month at a staycation. So what you may not know is that Airbnb actually encourages hosts to apply weekly and monthly discounts in order to encourage guests to stay longer. So let's say you plan to stay at my Airbnb for 6 nights. You will actually be paying $696. However, if you book for 7 nights, a 20% discount automatically kicks in and you pay $649 as opposed to $696. So you save yourself about $47, about that much. That's still a good save, so why not? So if you're planning on staying for close to a week, go ahead and try booking for a whole week and see what happens, and the same applies to a whole month. We are done. I want to give Mama's Enchanting Look a massive thank you for allowing me to shoot on their location. Again, if you'd like to book this Airbnb, it's so amazing, it's such a gem, it's so serene. The link is in the description box below. And remember, if you want to get $65 off of that booking, well then sign up to Airbnb using my referral link. And you'll get yourself $65. God. Next week, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things you absolutely need to do before you book on Airbnb. So many guests miss out on these things and it ends up kicking them in the butt. So tune in next week to find out things you absolutely need to do before you book on Airbnb. I'll also be giving another giveaway next week, and I'll also be announcing the winner of this week's giveaway in next week's video. So subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so that you can know who's won this week, and also so that you can have a chance to win next week. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you know anybody who wants to know more about booking on Airbnb or how to be a host, please share this video with them. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions. If they're not going to be covered in my videos, then I'll definitely try my best to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.